Hey everyone, today I'm going to try out a SearPro multi-use torch. I got it because I have a sous vide and I wanted to sear the meat quickly with the torch. So this is what we got, and I'm going to cook some steaks today and try it out. But before I do, let me show you what's in the box. It tells you a little bit of information on the back. It comes with some kind of offer. A little bit of information. And here is the torch. And it's nice. It's a little bit heavy on this end. I'm not sure why, I guess because of all the metal. Basically, all you have to do is get a tank and screw it to the bottom, and you're pretty much ready to go. So let me go ahead and cook some steaks, and then we'll try this out. We're going to be using our Charmeter Sous Vide. And the last time we made a video with it, we did the meat directly in the pot without putting it in a bag. It was kind of like an experiment. Today we're going to do it right. And we have silicone bags that we're going to put the meat in. And what we have is we have 2 beef and 2 lamb steaks. We got these core bags on Amazon, and they came with these little ties on it. But we didn't realize that you had to buy the magnets, and we didn't buy the magnets. We just thought that came with it. So that's probably what we're going to buy if this doesn't work out that well. All right, so what I'm gonna do is fold the tops of the bags down so it will be less messy putting the steaks inside. And I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper on them. Again, a little salt and pepper. So you want to get the steaks as close as you can to the bottom. And I'm using tongs so it won't be so messy. Next, you want to put it in slowly, so hopefully the water will displace the air. All right, so I'm putting it in and I'm going to slowly push it down. So we don't even need those string things.
Yeah, probably it's better this way.
As you can see here, I'm going to cook it at 155 degrees for about 2 hours because I want these steaks medium well. Here's our SearPro torch. This is the lighter. This is what controls the gas. This is where you attach it to your fuel, and this is where the flame comes out. I have a small can of propane gas here. Let's open this up. And when you're using your torch, you should never hold it straight down or straight up, upside down. Don't shake it. And when you angle it down, you only want to angle it at 45 degrees. You don't want to go further than that, either direction. So let's screw on the tank. When you turn it on, you open up the gas just a little bit. And then, there we go. Now, to sear it, you're going to open up the gas valve and get the flame hotter. All right, flip it. good.
You could make it.
What's nice is you can set it down and it just works like that real easy. All right, I'm gonna turn it off. And that's it. I think this is awesome. I'm really happy with this. So now let's cut into some meat and try it. It was real nice real easy to cut. And I think it's the perfect color we wanted inside. We didn't want it too pink. The SearPro looks great. You can also use it to light your charcoal and other things. And it works great with sous vide. Is that like a big piece of fat on the end?
Yeah.